I hope you are all doing well. In this video, I will show you how to edit videos with Canva. You can do this for not only in premium Canva version as well as in the free Canva version too. This video is suitable for anyone using a desktop who needs to create short videos or social media ads or banners. When it comes to running a business, be aware you can also start your own small business or market online. This tutorial is for you. Let's get started. I will guide you through the process so you don't miss anything creating a video from scratch to completion using Canva. So let's begin by discussing the video selection, and this is the Canva dashboard as you can see here, and in the search option you have to go and just type here video, and you can see the recommendation that you can get here. Okay, and this is the video size that we are going to create now, and you can choose any of the video here. You can see video collage and Facebook video, and it is 1080 cross 1080 megapixels, and let me choose this video, like it is 1920 cross 1080 pixels. So let us go with this. So if you can see this video, and let me show you. So here are the recommendations. These are the themes that you can use for your template, and this is for YouTube. This is you can see some other ad templates like this, and we will go for YouTube, and simply we'll go with a blank template, or simply you can select any of the templates available right over here. Okay, so let us go over to blank, create a blank template, and let us design it from scratch so that you can understand it more properly. So let me select a blank template, and as you can see, this is the template board, and new timeline that it is appearing here, and in this timeline you can see the templates that are available in the left side, and you can see there are various templates that you can literally use any of these templates. Okay, so let me select any of one of the template, and you can see this is the template that is video that is playing over here. Okay, and so we won't go for this template. So at first let me show you how you can select this template. So let us create one more page over here, and let us select another one template. Okay, so yes, so these are the templates that are available for you. You can use these templates, or also you can do all your designs from scratch and create your own video. Okay, so this is the thing that you can add templates to your pages. You can add multiple pages right over here and just add another one video. So let me click over birthday video, let me suppose this one, and you can see there are various number of pages. There are 8 number of pages. Okay, so let me go with any of one of the pages, this one, and you can see there are 3 pages. We have 3 clips, and if I play them all, okay, as you can see, if I'll play this video, and this is a preview of the sample templates that we have used, and you can see over here. Okay, so it is a 17-second long video, and you can see it is completely playing. Okay, so let me pause it and let me delete all these templates, and literally you can do one more thing, that let me show you. You can just head over to upload section without going to template, and you can literally upload your own videos. See, I have a lot more videos that I have already uploaded here, and you can simply go to upload media, and then you can easily select the file that you want to upload. Okay, you can select images. If I'll go to video section, and let me select one of the video over here, this one, and you can see it will get uploaded over here. Okay, in this upload section, and you can easily drag and just click over it and to use that video. If I'll add one more page over here, and I will select this video that I've uploaded already, and let me click over it and just replace it as background, so you don't have to drag and drop. Okay, if you I will select this one, so you don't have to drag it to fit it. Simply right click over it and just replace the background, and you can easily see it completely fit the background. Okay, so in this way you can easily, so let me delete this one. So in this way you can add videos to Canva, or you can simply upload the video and use them for your use. Okay, so there is one more section you can see over here, zoom thumbnail and zoom. This is a zoom thumbnail section. Let me zoom it and show you. See, you can see this thumbnail section is getting zoomed, timeline section, and if I select over here and this one, if I zoom it, and you can see it is getting enlarged. Okay, so let me minimize it, and yeah, it is perfect. Okay, you can zoom it right over here. You can zoom the timeline section, and if I'll select over this section, and you can see it will zoom your video. you can see this one. Okay, so it will zoom your page. Let me show you this way. So it is not recommended, I never use that one. So let it be this, and you can just zoom your timeline. Okay, this thumbnail section you can zoom it. Okay, zoom your timeline and you can preview that pane. Then one more option that is available over here, you have to select the video. Okay, let me select the video, and you can see it is 5.9 second. But if you don't want that much second, what you can do, just click on the crop button right over here and you can easily crop the video. Okay, so let me crop it and make it to 3 second, and from backside let me crop it and make it to 3 second. Yeah, here it is, and you can just click on the done option. Okay, so your video will get cropped to 3 second and you can easily use this video. So there is a restriction that if you don't want to use a more little big video, you can trim it. Okay, so it is always recommended to trim your video. Just click on the video and just here there is a trim option. It is available right over here, and you can simply trim it to the number of seconds that you want to use. See, here it is showing 12.5 second video, and if I trim it from the back side, and it is showing 8.3 second, and you can literally see the timeline right over there to know that how much second video it has been trimmed to. So let it be 5 second, and let me click on the done option. Okay, so in this way you can trim your videos. I think it is clear right now. Okay, then one more option, you can add text to your video. It is a 5 second long video that we have trimmed, and you can literally add text. So for adding text, you can go head over to the text section and just write add a text. Suppose let me click over your social media marketer, and suppose let me change the color of this. Let me choose it to white, and you can drag it to the position that you want to place, and you can always add as many types of effect. You can add simply one element right over here to make it more attractive. Okay, so it's up to you, all the designs that you want to do. You just have to play around all the elements and the tools that are already been given to us in Canva. So in this way you can make your design look more better. And if you can also add some effect to your text, just click on the effect, and just you can add shadow effect and just lift up effect. You can add literally any of the effect right over here, and you can increase the intensity to look it more better. And you can also change the background color of the tool that of the element that you are using. If I change the color to red, you can see right over here. Okay, so it looks better. So in this way you can add the elements, and you can add the text, and you can literally add the effect to right over here. And how to add animations to text, it is very important that if you are creating a video for yourself, it is recommended to animate your text so that it will look more attractive and it will be eye-catching. So just select on the text. You can see it is video selected. Just select on the text and head over to animate section, and there you can see plenty of animations that you can apply to your text. Suppose I want to apply this bounce option. Okay, just select over that and it is applied right over here. Okay, and you can just see any of the things. These all are free, and you don't need to go to premium option. Free version also you can do very good video editing, right? And let me select this one, and you can see this is applied to here. Okay, in this way you can add the text and animate your text. Okay, and this is the element that we have used. You can at the same time you can also animate your element that you have been using. Okay, so I want animate this one because it looks perfect right over here. You can also animate. Just select that and click on the animate option, and you can literally select any of those things. And it is element animation and it is page animation. In the page animation you can click animate your whole page. Okay, so in this way you can add the text and animate your pages. So coming back to the next, how to you can see if I animate your page, let me show you this one. Just go to animation and page animations, and you can literally see you can total effect it will animate. Let me show you. Suppose it is rise. Yeah, this looks better. Page zoom. You can select any of the animation that you want to use. Okay, so in this way you can easily add animations to your video, and text and the elements that you have been using. Okay, so there is one more feature that you want to see. It is 5-second long video, and if you will see right over here, I don't want the same text to be appearing here also. So what I can do it is just click on the three dots here and I will split the page. So after splitting the page, what you can do, you can see it is divided into two clips. So if I click over here, and this page I don't want in the same video, I don't want these things. So what I'll do, just delete it. So select that and just delete it. Let me delete this one and this one. Okay, so I will write some another text right over here. So let me write text, write the marketing DPS, and let me change the color of it. Let me change this color to red, and you can see it is applied. Okay, so in the same video clip we are using two different texts. In this way you can easily split your pages and clips. Okay, so it is a very important one that you need to if you are thinking to add different text to the same clip, in this way you can easily split your clip and easily add the text. Okay, so also you can adding text caption over same video. You can also add the text captions over the same video. You can see I have already shown you how you can add the text captions. In this way you can add the text captions over the same video. This video remains the same, but we are just adding the text captions. Okay, and then you can also add the transition, just animate it, and you can animate it to anything that you want. This is the text animation that we are applying, and let me apply this one. Okay, then you can, one more thing that you can do, you can also apply transition in between the clips. How you can do that? You can see a plus button right over here. Just head over to that and just click on add transition, and you can see these are the transitions that will appear. And this is the limiting feature that Canva provides us. I hope in the future they will bring back more number of transitions, but right now they are giving us only 4 transitions. Okay, so you can use any of these transitions out of this. Okay, so let me select this one. Let me select this transition, and if I head over to this plus button and at the same time add transition, and you can choose any of these things, and let me choose slide over here, and in this way it will look like. And these are the things you have to just select over the plus button right over here, and you have to add the transition in between the clips so that it will look more eye-catching so while editing your video. Then you can also add background music. How can do that? Just head over to the music section, audio section right over here, and you can just select any of the audios that you want. So let me select this audio, and you can see in the timeline below this audio has been added. And if you can also add multiple audio tracks to your timeline. How can do that? Just select one more audio which you like. You can just play and listen over here, and if I like this one, just click over it, and you can upload that multiple audios on the same timeline and on the same places that you are. Okay, so let me pause it. And in this way you can add multiple audios to your project, and also at the same time you can upload a audio. Just head over to upload section, just go to audio and upload media, and in this way you can upload any of the media. I have already uploaded 3 of them, so let me select one of the audio right over here, and I have just uploaded that audio, and you can see there are 3 audios. And if you want, this is my main audio. Just if I don't want this is the background music, so I want this voice to be little slower. Okay, so what you can do it is just select that one and just head over to this sound option, just decrease the music, and let me show you. Just decrease it to like 15, and this one also flourishing views, just decrease it to let it be 20 and 20. Okay, so in this way you can add audio tracks to your timeline so that it will look you can do everything using Canva, so literally you need not to worry about it. Okay, so this is the thing that you can you need to understand, how you can add audios. You can literally upload your audio, or simply you can select any of the audio section that is available right inside Canva, And also you can add videos to your Canva. Suppose let me select one more template, and there are plenty of videos that are already available so that you can use. So if I'll select this video, just drag and over to here, so it will automatically add it to your video section. Just simply drag and you can drag and drop over here or drag over to the timeline section, so it will automatically fit to the background and it will add over there. So right now let me delete this audio and just delete this one. Okay. And in this way you can just, I have added this video, and you can see this is a 10-second long video, so I don't want this much long, so I want to crop it, so trim this video. So what I can do it is, so to make it 5 seconds, just trim from back side, and if you want from front or back, you can trim it. Okay, so let me trim it to 5 seconds. You can see the timeline that is shown in the left hand side, this one. So this is a 5-second long video right now, so let me place it down. So you can go and add elements right over here. You can see this is a blank page. You can just write some text over here, or you can just literally go to element section and add some of the graphics right over here to animate it and make it look more better, right? So you can select any of the graphics that is already available right over here. So let me select one of the sticker from here. So it is Savage. Okay, so this is the sticker that I've used. Let me minimize it, and you can see right over here. Okay, so if I'll add some more stickers, you can see this is an emoji. Yeah, this is a smiley emoji. You can select, or you can literally delete that one, and you can select the emoji that you want, the sticker that you want. Okay, so I think this is better. Yeah, let me place over it, and you can literally animate this thing, right? You can just select the animate and the effect that you want. Just keep your cursor right over there and just click on that, and it will automatically be applied. And this is already animated, so no need to do much more, and it is looking much better. Okay, in this way you can easily add elements and animate that. Okay, so in this way you can do that. Then one more feature that is that I want to show you. Just click a new page and just head over to elements, and let me show you some mockups, how you can add video to your mockups. And if I go to elements and just search, just scroll it below, and you can see a frame section right over here. Just select that frame section, and you can see various frames that are already have been given to you so that you can use them. So let me select one of the frame right over here. Let me select one mobile frame and one laptop frame. Okay, so these are the two frames that I have selected. Let me select the mobile frame and this laptop frame right over here, and let me zoom it. And this one also, let me zoom this mobile frame. And what you can do, just go to video section, and you can import any videos directly inside this mockup. And let me show you how you can do it. Just select the video that you like to place inside this. Let me select this one. So what I'll do, just drag it and place it over here. Okay, so it will automatically be placed inside that mockup. And if I want something to upload right over here, just go to upload section and upload, and go to videos, and I've already uploaded some of the videos. Let me select any one of them. Let me select this one. This is already uploaded. Let me select this one. Okay, and what you can do, just drag it and just place it inside this, and you can easily do this very easily, right? And now you can see that these two mockups have already been played. I can change the background, so you can change the background color right over here. Let me put it to like gray, so it looks better. And you can see this, you can add the text right over here, or you can see these two videos will play simultaneously. You don't have to worry about that. This video also will be played, and if you want to change the position of this, just double click on it, and you can just click the position right in this way. And this is better. You can just click on the done option, and this is also looking better. You can also change the position right over here, and I will just make it to left and just click on the done option. Okay, so in this way you can add videos to your mockups and you can export them. So there is one more feature also. You can duplicate the page. Suppose I want to duplicate this page, just click on that on your timeline and just select the three dots and just duplicate it, or you can simply put Ctrl D so that it will automatically duplicate your page. So by duplicating, you can see the same page getting duplicated. It is of 3 seconds and it is also 3 seconds. So what I need to do, so after duplicating, I don't want these things to be written over here, so you can literally change the writings and you can just put your own something different. Like I'm putting marketer funnel, so I'm just writing something, and let me write over here social media agency. So in this way you can see the same clip, but just by duplicating it we can write different text to the same clip. So it will be very beneficial for you if we do this one, or you can do by splitting the clip, as I have already mentioned previously, right? So in this way you can duplicate and split the clips, and so that you can add different text to the same clip, so which is even possible in Canva. And you can even record your Canva is also providing one more feature, that is to record your own voice. How you can do that? Just simply go to this upload section. Suppose I'm in element section, just go to upload section, and here you can see the record yourself, and you can literally record your own voice right over here by selecting this record yourself option. And you can see this is the timeline, and you have to allow all these things. So in this video I'm not going to show you this one, as we have some time issues, so I cannot show you everything. So in this way you have to just allow it, and you can literally record at the same time. If you have your scripts ready, just you can literally record everything using Canva. So you need not to head over to any other softwares to do the same, right? So let me cancel this one. Okay, in this video that I have already shown you, you can use your or record your own voice by doing that. So I'm not going to show you that one in this video. So in the last step you can see we have already made a one video, and if I'll take you to preview section, let me show you. Just it is a 2-minute long video, and just you have to click on this option and to see the preview of this video. And let me show the preview of this video. Okay, so you can see we have created, right? This is the mockup that we have created. Let me close this window. So you can also add some text or photos. I have already shown you how to add the text and animate it. You can also add the photos at the same time. Suppose you can just go to photo section, and you can just use any of the stock images that has been already provided to you. And if I'll go to upload section, you can also add images, and you can just place over it. Suppose let me delete this one, and this pre-made template I'm just deleting it, just to replace it with a photo, and you can just use it and that in your video also. Suppose I'm selecting this photo, and let me zoom it just like this to fit it. Okay, so you can see this one. So this is the photo that I've been using, but it will be inside the video. So in the video you can also use the photos in this way. Okay, so it will be a 3-second video, because this clip is of 3 seconds, so this photo will be placed right over here. And in this way you can literally use the photos to make your videos look much better. So even you can add videos and also photos at the same time, right? And you can see this is the video that we have already completed, and I have already mentioned you all the elements and tools that you need to do while video editing using Canva. So if I look over the preview right over here, and you can see this video is being played, and you can see this is the video that we have created right now. So it is a 2-minute video, right? This is the mockup that we have created, and you can see this is the complete video. So let me close this one.
So you are losing an opportunity. मतलब आपको उनको ऐसा नहीं ढूंढना है.
So let me close this video, and you can see this is the complete video that we have created right now, and I have already shown you the preview. So in the last step that I'm going to show you how you can download your video. So simply head over to this download option, and one more thing, you can also share it to your fellow members just by this share option. So this video will be much more longer, so I am not going to show that one. So you can use this option, share option, to share with your fellow members to edit or to review it. Okay, so in this way, by clicking on this download option, you can literally download it. So you can see suggested, it is a MP4 video, so it is suggesting this one to download. And if you will see, you have as many different types of things. You can literally download it by choosing a GIF or PNG high quality image. Also you can download it, or you can just select the video that has been suggesting, because we are creating a video, right? So you can see I have selected all the pages. So you have one more thing that I want to say you. So if you don't want all the 5 pages to be in the same video, so what you can do, just select the, I suppose I don't want this clip to be in this video. Okay, so I will just select the rest 5 pages and download them. So it will be in one video. You can see, just click on the done option and just save the download option. And you can also connect your social media. Just click on the download option and you can see it will be downloading. It will get downloaded. Okay, so in this way you can easily download your videos using Canva and make awesome videos with the free version as well as the premium version. So no need to worry if you don't have the premium version. You can even use the free version of Canva to make and edit your videos very easily. So these are the step-by-step explanation that I have given you. So hope you like the video. Meet you in the next video next week. Thank you.